aggressive. Like every pedal stroke just whoosh. I expect a bent rotor. Well, whatever you do, I'm going to get it on tape, so. You're close. That's what he's doing. He's wheeling and it's just. My bike's protected. He's hitting off the bash guard. You're hitting just a solid piece of aluminum. You bounced off your chain. No wonder you have a terrible time on this thing. The butt pad is like as wide as my hips plus one. You can't get over, you can't get back over the rear. fun. I've never rode, you know, stiff on this stuff. Aww. They painted it. That's actually higher. Apple, get off.
That thing's worth its weight in gold today, isn't it?
That bash guard, yeah, look at the, just rotate your pedals 180.
I think I need to.
It's so heavy to try to lift this back up. Like this is 10 times harder.
Yeah, everybody rides Walmart bikes. If you ride a good one, you keep it in your dorm. Everybody with downhill bikes, they all have these. Everybody. Even like there's a bunch of doctors and stuff, and they have these or high-end road bikes. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna videotape it, and you're gonna rub my bash guard.
It hit the brake lever for me.
Perfect. But you go up those rocks. Looks like it. You want me to try and get up those rocks on this one? I need my seat if I'm gonna do that. See, Justin's probably can't fit over the rear end.
Backflip.
Who is it?
Giant.
Is it Justin Pastrana that can just backflip from a standstill?
That?
Off the tree.
Yeah. A tree or a little hillside.
Yeah, just give him like a little lip and can just up and over. you need a different saddle actually. The way it works is you're supposed to be able to get over your rear end, and that would help you out dramatically, just being able to get over the rear tire.
I could probably pump it some more stuff if I had the tire down. Oh, it would be honest with you. I know, that one's just more of a ride the back. You can get comfortable.
You want this one so you don't. Okay. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, but we're getting the rocks.
They just came down there.
Pretty well did, yeah.
I don't think I did.
No, you landed about 3 feet in.
If you want more tires down, I'll follow you.
Go down the sidewalk and then come around. Well, whatever works. No. Got it.